Welcome back to the Burnout Bobby YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be working on a Honda Ruckus. We will be working on a Honda Ruckus, that is for sure. I have behind me this 49cc, I believe it's a 2020 Honda Ruckus. Now, this is a customer of ours. Apparently he's a big fan of the channel. He loves the work I do with the builds and everything that. He reached out to me. We've been talking for about a month or so. Maybe about a month, three weeks or so. And he's like, listen, I want to ship my bike out to you. So this bike right here, it's gonna go full GY6 swap, rims, fatty, disc brake conversion, the whole 9 yards. So you're gonna be seeing all of that happen in this video. I'm super excited about it. I know he's excited about it because he can't wait for the video to release. I'm not gonna let him see anything until each video drops. So that's gonna be awesome. So that's I'm gonna push my build to the side for right now. Take care of this for him. Super nice guy, very friendly. As you see behind me, he already has a bunch of work done to it. So he's got the yoke, he's got a carb, the lowered seat frame, carbon tank cover. He's got a ton of goodies. With that being said, we will be keeping some of it. I will be getting rid of other parts of it. My plan with this bike is 3 things. So you know what I like to do. I think a clean bike can have 3 colors. With his bike, it's gonna be white, carbon fiber, and polished. So from the ruck shop, I have a ton of polished aluminum parts. I'm gonna be putting on there. I'm gonna be buffing it all, doing a ton of elbow grease into this to make sure it looks high polished, high shine, and really excited to see how this comes out. I might do a couple extras here and there, and debating on doing pinstriping or not on the box, kind of like the black and gold bike. Again, I'm gonna wait until the bike's just about done when I'm in the tuning stages of it, and then I will see if there's anything extra that I'd like to do. I also want to point out, I have 2 new stickers out. I know a lot of you guys took place and purchased other stickers. I have this one right here. Burnout Bobby, it's got the eagle holding the 2 pistons. This would look sick on a battery box. Right there. 1 on each side. That'd be sick. Message me if you're into something like that. And then also I have the Burnout Bobby signature series right there. Yeah. So it's Burnout Bobby, the cursive logo. That's in white. That will look good on the frame. Underneath here, where the Ruckus logo goes. If your frame is white, obviously it's probably not gonna work, but you can support me by putting this on your car if you want. So I have these both up for grabs. If you are interested, feel free to message me, shoot me a message on Instagram, Burnout Bobby, and I'll go ahead and get these shipped out to you. In today's video, I'm gonna be disassembling this bike, completely taking it apart, down to what I need it to be. And then in the next video, which I will be recording tomorrow, I'm going to be getting ready for the GY6 swap. So I'm going to be grinding the rear frame, drilling out what I need to do, and of course recording all this, showing you it. That video though is going to be on the Ruck Shop's YouTube channel. So I will be putting the how-to video for installing the GY6 mount individually on that channel. So you can be sure to subscribe to that, check that out. And then of course the rest of it's just going to be mounting it up, I guess you could say. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this apart. I will put this to a time lapse because you're just gonna see me turning a lot of bolts and it won't be as interesting. I will show you once I'm done. Tomorrow, from tomorrow on, or the next video on for you guys, you're gonna see a lot more how-to videos, I guess you could say, or install piece per piece. So it's gonna be each individual piece from the Ruck Shop, and I'll be showing you how to put each one on the bike. So hopefully it'll be a better breakdown for you and less questions as you go on. It'll be nice for the newer people in the community. Let's get to this. Yeah.
Okay, as you can see, got a little work done. There's only a couple things left. I just got to take the ignition off here. Couple of the little clips here. These pegs. I ran into a couple things when I was disassembling this bike that I'm gonna have to talk to the owner about. There's a couple things that the previous shop that worked on this did that I don't understand why they did what they did, so I'm gonna see what he has to say. Like, they had the Dingleberry license plate frame on here, which you have to shave the factory tab here. I don't know if you could tell from the picture, but there is probably about an 1/16, quarter inch to 60, I don't know. Maybe close to an 1/8 inch of material that was ground down right here. I'm trying to get to zoom so you can kind of see it right there. See how much that dips in? That's gonna be very noticeable. So I don't know if he's gonna want us to weld all of this and then go back over and grind it flush, or just order a new rear frame, because that is taken in. Yeah, you can see right there, look at that divot right there, how much that goes in. This is supposed to be semi-straight. Sometimes there's even just a little bump, but somebody got happy with that grinding wheel or the, golly. So, with that being said, we gotta figure out this problem with the too much grinding in the rear frame before I go ahead and start digging into this and getting it all ready for the fatty mount. Front frame's fine, they didn't do anything to that. I'm gonna call it a day, or a night, whatever it is. Your boy got his hands dirty. As you see, this part is knocked out. I'm happy, I got a lot accomplished tonight. Had some free time, was able to do it. Next video, hopefully we'll see what he says about doing this rear frame. I do have my rear frame that has not been cut, and that's on the back wall over here. So if in the meantime, just to get things going, I just take my rear frame, grind that down, get that ready for powder coat, and then we can decide what to do with this one. So we don't have to wait 6-7 days from Honda for me to order a rear frame, probably even longer right now. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And then follow my Instagram, Burnout Bobby. I always post up some cool stuff on there. I do giveaways on there too. I mean, why would you want to get a giveaway? All right, catch you on the next one.